Let's walk you through how to move your crypto off Coinbase and into your own wallet. It's super simple once you know the steps. Step 1, open your wallet app, whether it's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or a hardware wallet, or Phantom, and copy your receive address. Click on receive and copy the address. Step 2, go into Coinbase, on web or on mobile. Head to send and receive. Select the crypto you want to move and paste your wallet address. Double check it. One wrong letter and it's gone forever. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to send. Hit continue and confirm. You'll probably need to do 2FA with your phone or email. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Some coins take a minute, some take longer, depending on network traffic. You'll see it show up in your wallet once it's cleared. And that's it. Your crypto is now in your own wallet, under your control, instead of sitting on an exchange. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.